Are you ready to unlock the future of business with AI? 2025 is right around the corner, and AI is revolutionizing the way we do business. Want to build a profitable business with AI? Let's dive into the top 5 most lucrative opportunities you can start right now. Business Idea 1. AI-powered content creation. AI can automate content generation for blogs, social media, and websites. Imagine having AI tools that can write engaging articles, create social media posts, and even develop entire web pages for you. It's like having a team of writers working around the clock, but without the overhead costs. The benefits are immense. Businesses can save time and resources while also scaling their content production effortlessly. The potential market impact is significant, with AI-powered content creation expected to revolutionize how companies approach digital marketing and communication. By 2025, this technology could become a cornerstone for businesses aiming to stay competitive in the digital age. Business Idea 2. AI for e-commerce. In today's fast-paced digital world, e-commerce is booming, and businesses are constantly seeking innovative ways to stay ahead of the competition. One of the most promising solutions is the integration of artificial intelligence, or AI, into e-commerce platforms. AI can optimize product recommendations, enhance customer service, and streamline inventory management. Imagine a system that not only understands your customers' preferences, but also predicts what they might want to buy next. This is the power of AI in e-commerce. Picture this: AI algorithms analyzing customer behavior to suggest products they are most likely to buy. These algorithms can process vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to detect. This means your customers get personalized shopping experiences, leading to higher satisfaction and increased sales. Chatbots handling customer inquiries instantly. These AI-driven chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support, answering questions, resolving issues, and even assisting with purchases. They can handle multiple queries simultaneously, ensuring that no customer is left waiting. And smart inventory systems ensuring you never run out of stock. AI can monitor inventory levels in real time, predict demand, and automatically reorder products when stock is low. This reduces the risk of overstocking or understocking, saving you money and ensuring that your customers always find what they need. Real-life e-commerce businesses are already scaling up with these technologies, and you can too. Companies like Amazon and Alibaba are leveraging AI to enhance their operations, and smaller businesses are following suit. By integrating AI into your e-commerce platform, you can improve efficiency, boost sales, and provide a better overall experience for your customers. The future of e-commerce is here, and it's powered by AI. Business Idea 3. AI for digital marketing. AI is changing the landscape of marketing with tools for personalized ads, customer segmentation, and data analytics. These tools are revolutionizing how businesses approach their marketing strategies, making them more efficient and effective. Imagine running marketing campaigns that are tailored to each individual customer. With AI, this is not just a possibility, but a reality. AI algorithms analyze customer behavior, preferences, and interactions to create highly personalized marketing messages that resonate with each individual. Analyzing vast amounts of data to find trends is another significant advantage of AI in digital marketing. Traditional methods of data analysis are time-consuming and often prone to human error. However, AI can process and analyze large datasets quickly and accurately, identifying patterns and trends that might be missed by human analysts. Segmenting your audience with pinpoint accuracy is crucial for effective marketing. AI tools can divide your audience into highly specific segments based on various criteria, such as demographics, behavior, and preferences. This allows marketers to target each segment with tailored messages, increasing the chances of engagement and conversion. There are already numerous examples of successful AI marketing campaigns out there. Companies across various industries have leveraged AI to enhance their marketing efforts, resulting in increased engagement, higher conversion rates, and improved ROI. These success stories demonstrate the potential of AI to transform digital marketing. Showcasing just how powerful these tools can be, AI-driven marketing campaigns have set new benchmarks in the industry. From predictive analytics to real-time customer insights, AI provides marketers with the tools they need to stay ahead of the competition. The future of digital marketing is undoubtedly AI-driven, and businesses that embrace this technology will be well-positioned for success. AI-powered chatbots are another innovative application in digital marketing. These chatbots can interact with customers in real time, providing instant responses to queries and guiding them through the purchasing process. This not only enhances the customer experience but also frees up valuable time for human marketers to focus on more strategic tasks. AI is also transforming email marketing. AI-driven email marketing tools can analyze customer data to determine the best time to send emails, the most effective subject lines, and the type of content that resonates most with each recipient. This level of personalization can significantly improve open rates, click-through rates, and overall campaign performance. Predicting future marketing trends is another area where AI excels. By analyzing historical data and current market conditions, AI can provide valuable insights into future trends, helping marketers to stay ahead of the curve and plan their campaigns accordingly. This proactive approach can give businesses a competitive edge in the ever-evolving digital landscape. In conclusion, AI for digital marketing is not just a trend but a game changer. It offers a range of tools and capabilities that can enhance every aspect of marketing, from personalization and segmentation to data analysis and trend prediction. Businesses that leverage AI in their marketing strategies are likely to see significant improvements in their marketing performance and overall business success. The success stories of businesses that have embraced AI in their marketing efforts are a testament to the power of this technology. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on digital marketing will only grow, offering even more opportunities for businesses to connect with their customers in meaningful and impactful ways. So, if you're looking to take your digital marketing to the next level, consider integrating AI into your strategy. With its ability to analyze data, predict trends, and personalize marketing efforts, AI can help you achieve your marketing goals more efficiently and effectively than ever before. The future of digital marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace this technology and unlock the full potential of your marketing efforts. The possibilities are endless, and the rewards are substantial. AI for digital marketing is not just an idea, it's the future of marketing. Business Idea 4: AI in Financial Services. Dive into how AI is transforming finance, from algorithmic trading to personal finance apps. Highlight the potential of AI in creating profitable businesses in the finance sector. Business Idea 5: AI for Healthcare. Explain the opportunities in healthcare AI, such as diagnostics, personalized medicine, and health data analysis. Use visuals of cutting-edge AI technology in the medical field. Summarize the 5 business ideas and reinforce how AI will be the key to success in 2025. End with a compelling statement. AI is already transforming industries, and now is the time to start your AI-powered business. Ready to take your AI-driven business to the next level? Imagine harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to streamline your operations, boost your productivity, and skyrocket your profits. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, AI can be the game changer you've been looking for. Join our exclusive Money Club company community for just $5. That's right, for the price of a cup of coffee, you can gain access to a treasure trove of resources designed to help you succeed. Our community is dedicated to providing you with the tools and support you need to thrive in today's competitive market. You'll get access to proven strategies, expert mentorship, and insider tips that can give you the edge over your competition. Our mentors are industry leaders with years of experience, ready to share their knowledge and guide you on your journey. Imagine having a team of experts at your fingertips, ready to help you navigate the complexities of running a business. And that's not all. You'll also become part of a vibrant network of entrepreneurs who are already building profitable businesses with AI. Connect with like-minded individuals, share ideas, and collaborate on projects. Our community is a hub of innovation and creativity, where you can find inspiration and support from fellow entrepreneurs. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the link below to join now. It's time to take action and invest in your future. With just a few clicks, you can unlock a world of possibilities and start your journey towards success. Our platform is user-friendly and designed to help you get started quickly and easily, and start transforming your future today. Picture yourself as a successful business owner, celebrating your achievements and looking forward to a bright future. The possibilities are endless when you have the right tools and support. So why wait? Join the Money Club company community now and take the first step towards a prosperous future.